Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to find and change your zip code on a Cash App. Start by logging into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings tab. Look for the tab or menu option that says Settings and click on it. In the Settings section, you should see various options related to your account details. Find the option that says Zip or Postal Code and click on the Edit button next to it. By clicking on the Edit button, you will be able to modify your zip code. You will be prompted to enter your new zip code. Carefully input the updated zip code and confirm it. To ensure the security of your account, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity through various methods, such as providing your PIN or using two-factor authentication. After entering the new zip code and completing any necessary identification verification steps, save the changes. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.